Welcome to Can Do Polish by PolishPod101.com.
Cześć wszystkim, jestem Emil Nowak. Hi everyone, I'm Emil Nowak. In this lesson, you'll learn how to use parting greetings.
Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2,000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Polish ebook before it's gone.
This is Karen Lee, and she's talking with her former homestay mother, Marianna Michalska. As Karen says goodbye, her children join her in saying goodnight. Focus on the way each person says goodbye.
Do zobaczenia. Dobranoc.
Do widzenia.
Do zobaczenia. Pa!
Once more with the English translation.
Do zobaczenia.
See you soon.
Dobranoc.
Good night.
Do widzenia.
Goodbye.
Do zobaczenia. Pa!
See you. Bye.
Let's take a closer look at each of these expressions.
First, do you remember how Karen says, see you soon?
Do zobaczenia.
Let's start with
Do zobaczenia.
literally until seeing, but it translates as see you soon.
Do zobaczenia.
See you soon.
Do zobaczenia.
Do zobaczenia.
Do zobaczenia.
Is fairly informal, which indicates a close relationship between Karen and Marianna Michalska, her former homestay mother. Do you remember how Sasha says, good night?
Dobranoc.
Good night.
Dobranoc. Dobranoc.
Literally means good night.
Dobranoc.
Dobranoc.
You use
Dobranoc.
good night when you don't plan on seeing someone again that night, and often when someone is about to go to bed. In this case, it's like saying, have a good night's sleep. Do you remember how Ben says, goodbye?
Do widzenia.
Goodbye.
Do widzenia. Do widzenia.
Literally means until seeing, but translates as goodbye.
Do widzenia.
Do widzenia.
Do widzenia.
Is suitable for formal situations. For example, Ben uses this expression since Mariana is older than him. Do you remember how Mariana says, see you, bye?
Do zobaczenia. Pa!
See you, bye.
Do zobaczenia. Pa.
First is,
Do zobaczenia.
see you.
Do zobaczenia.
Next is,
Pa.
which translates as bye.
Pa. Pa.
Altogether,
Do zobaczenia. Pa.
see you, bye.
Do zobaczenia. Pa!
This sentence is informal. Mariana uses this to say goodbye to everyone. She's the most senior person in the conversation, and she uses informal language to sound friendly. Note,
Pa.
bye can be used alone as an informal parting greeting.
You may be familiar with cześć as a greeting meaning hi, but it can also be used as a parting greeting meaning bye. Cześć. Bye. Cześć. Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat, or speak along with me. Do zobaczenia. Do zobaczenia. Dobranoc. Dobranoc. Do widzenia. Do widzenia. Pa. Pa. Cześć. Cześć. Na razie. Na razie. Did you notice the last parting expressions I used?
Wondering how you can master these conversations even faster? Here's how. 1. Read along. You get the lesson conversation and translations inside our dialogue tool, so that you see each word as you hear it and understand it all. 2. Practice speaking. By shadowing what you hear, you can also record and compare yourself with native speakers with our voice recording tools. And 3. Take our assessment tests and see how much you remember. These tools are part of our Can-Do course. Just click the link in the description to get them.
Na razie.
See you
Na razie.
literally means for now, but translates as see you.
Na razie. Na razie.
You can use this greeting with your friends and people the same age as you.
Na razie.
Remember this greeting. You'll need it later in this lesson.
Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. Then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say, see you soon? Do zobaczenia. Do zobaczenia. And how to say, good night? Dobranoc. Dobranoc. Do you remember how to say goodbye? Do widzenia. Do widzenia. And how to say see you, bye? Do zobaczenia, pa. Do zobaczenia, pa. And now how to say bye. Hint, bye from the last expression. Pa. Pa. Do you remember how to say see you? Hint, literally for now. Na razie. Na razie.
Let's practice. Imagine you're Mark Lee and you're talking with Mariana Michalska. Respond by saying good night. Ready?
Do zobaczenia. Pa!
Dobranoc.
Listen again and repeat.
Dobranoc. Dobranoc.
Let's try another. Imagine you're Sasha Lee and you're finishing class. Respond by saying bye. Ready?
Pa.
Pa. Listen again and repeat. Pa. Pa. Let's try one more. Imagine you're Ben Lee and you're finishing coffee with your college friend Anna. Respond by saying, see you. Hint, literally, for now. Ready?
Do zobaczenia.
Na razie.
Listen again and repeat.
Na razie. Na razie.
This is the end of this lesson.
Now, here's what you can do to cement this conversation in your head. Review the conversation with our dialogue tool and lesson transcripts. Study the key words and phrases with our spaced repetition flashcards. Review the key grammar and cultural tips inside the lesson notes. And test yourself with our assessment tests. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to access our Can-Do course.
Now you know how to use parting greetings in Polish. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing and move on to the next lesson.